Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series for the Java window tutorial session number 9. And in this session number 9 we are going to discuss how to create a connection established with the SQLite, as we have made this web database in our last web tutorials. So just go to the Eclipse and create a class here. Just click on the source and click new and then add a class here, and I'm using to create a database connection class, something like this. And remember that you don't need to click this public static void main and just create a simple class here, and I'm creating a simple class just like that. Now first of all you need to import some packages. One of them is java.sql package, and the second one is the import java x.swing package here. Now first of all we are going to create this connection db connection, something like this variable, and make it the global, so we can use this variable according to our need. And one more thing, we are going to create a method public static, and return type of this is connection, and name is I am going to name this connection as data connection. We will see that this error will be shown. This method must return a result of type connection, so don't worry about it, we will return the type here. And first of all we are going to add try catch block here. Try catch block is used to get the exceptions, and I am creating this one. If you don't understand the try catch, then go to the Java tutorial series and watch the try catch method there. After that I am going to add some j option dot j option pan dot show message dialog, and here I am giving this null and show the error here. Similarly I am also adding a j option pan dot show j option pan, sorry, since Java is a case sensitive, so you must be very careful about how to use show message dialog, and show message dialog I'm giving this message database connection established with the database, something like this, that will inform you how. Now we will return something, and what will we return? We will return this DB connection, and from here we are going to return this null. Okay, now we are going to add the class name. Add the class name for JDBC, Java database connection, and I'm using it class dot for name, and here I am using JDBC dot SQLite okay, I'm missing something. That was org dot SQLite dot JDBC, and it was in the capital letter. So what is this thing? This is the class dot for name. It is used to get the values from this website's JDBC's connectors. So first of all we are going how to add the jar files here, and for this thing there are a lot of jar files are here, but you cannot see any SQLite jar SQLite database jar file here, because this JRE file was created automatically when you create a project. So first of all, we will need to add this class from the website, and for this I'm just going for this thing. Here is the website, and I'm going to add the link name here, and just paste this link for remember. Go to this link, to download jar files here, jar files of the JDBC. Okay, now we are going to create a source folder here. I am going to create another folder for the jar files. Just go for new and create a resource folder, so whatever source folder, and click on it, and name it jar resource files, jar files here. Okay, and now we are going to this website, and you can see that there are the JDBC information here, and here you can download this file. This is the file, snapshot 3.8.2, and okay, since I am already downloaded this file, Java program GUI, and here the jar files, and that was the file name, basically SQLite JDBC 4-3.8.2 snapshot. And just copy this file and paste in the folder, company project. Here is the jar files, and just add this folder here, and 4.3.8.2, and that was the download file. Where is the 4? And you go that side. Click on the downloads. That was the basically site here, SQLite JDBC drivers, and here you can just download files. .4-3.8.2 snapshot .jar files. Now we are going to build our jar method once again. Just click on this GRE system library, click on build path, and just configure build path option here, and after that you are need to add jar files, and here where you place it, it was in the okay. Before that, we need to refresh this one, since we have placed this file but it was not refreshed. So just refresh this by using F5, and now once again build the path, configure, add JRs, click on this. Now we can show the files here, and after that you are adding it, and just apply it. Now this will be the build path, and you can see that the SQLite jar file was added here automatically. Okay, now we need to create the connection with our database. Create the connection with the database file here, and for this thing we need a connection, and that was db connection is equal to driver manager dot and the get connection, and here we will give the connection to our database. So remember that we have a database here, and we need to get this properties here, and you can see that this is the location of our database. Just copy it and put this thing here. One more thing, when you write the backslash in double quotes, then you need to give it form feed here, and I am going the form feed backslashes with this one. So the error was removed, but one thing is we need to add more. We need to inform it that this was the JDBC connection and SQLite. So I'm giving it JDBC and SQLite, and then 2 columns here. So it will complete our connection with the database, and now we just go and check this in the login form whether it was connected with our database or not. For this thing we need to add these 2 classes here, and what was that? Import java.swing, import java.swing, and second one is the import import java.sql. And after adding these things, we are now need to create the universal variable for the connection. For this thing we are creating connection, and here I am giving the name of the database for connection, and make it null here. And now I am going to add this database connection here, and database connection is equal to, and now giving the name of the I think I will name it shorter, like DB connection, so no confusion will be created either which is the variable and which is the class name. And DB connection and equal to database connection dot, and now it was data connection. We call the method here. Now it was almost complete and done. Now we will run this login form and show whether the message, what kind of message was shown here. Database connection established with the database. It means our database connection was established successfully, and here is the login form which we created in the last session. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and Allah Hafiz.